Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can replace the batteries in a Kwikset 955 or Kwikset 917 electronic lock in 2026. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have 4 set of fresh AA alkaline batteries ready. Kwikset recommends using the high quality alkaline batteries for better performance and for better battery life. Now, once you have the batteries ready, you just have to go to the inside portion of the lock, which is going to look something like this. You need to carefully slide or lift the battery cover in order to access the battery compartment. Now, on both the Kwikset 955 and 917, the battery pack is located behind the interior housing. Now, once you have done that, you just have to take out all the 4 existing batteries, and you need to also check the contacts for any kind of dust, corrosion or debris. If necessary, you can gently clean the contacts before installing the new batteries. Now, once you have done that, you just have to simply carefully just insert the new AA alkaline batteries according to the polarity markings inside the battery compartment. Just make sure that the battery is seated properly. So once the batteries are installed, the lock should automatically power on, and you may also hear a beep and you will see the keypad flashing briefly, and this indicates that the lock has successfully recognized the new batteries and completed its startup process. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.